Hello there and welcome to Caribbean Dishes Made Easy. My name is Garvin Brown. I've got some food cooking on the fire and so I decided to do a show for you guys. Alright, today we'll be doing some curry chicken. We'll be doing some favorite curry chicken. Some of my favorite. And so as you can see, we've got about 2 pounds of chicken that's been cleaned and washed. And as you can see here, we've got some scotch bonnet pepper, some scallion aka spring onion, we've got some onion, some ginger, some thyme, some pimento and garlic. And here we've got some chicken seasoning, some curry and turmeric for added color, and we've got some other spices, all-purpose spices. Of course, we've got some carrots and we've got some diced Irish potato. Lovely. All right, so let's go straight into this. We've got the oil being preheated, and so from here, obviously, if we're gonna do our thing, we would have it marinating for like a half hour, 45 minutes, depending on how much time you got to work with. So we're just gonna go into the deep end, and we're gonna put in our pimento. All right. From here, we're gonna get our scotch bonnet. Put in our scotch bonnet, our spring onion, and we can leave back some for re-seasoning just in case you need it at the end. Some chopped onions, some ginger. I told you that we put ginger in a porridge. 2 cloves of garlic. This garlic's not really that strong, so we can run risk with them. All right. And your thyme. And some thyme. Oh, thank you, my producer. Some powdered seasoning, and like I said, guys, we don't really measure things. We sprinkle until we hear the ancestors say, "That's it, son." But for you guys out there in video land, you need to put at least 2 tablespoons of the powdered seasoning. About another 2 or 3 spoons of the turmeric and curry, and of course the other all-purpose spice. You can put another teaspoon of it. Obviously, once you do that, whilst you're cooking, you can then decide what else needs to be done. All right, but as you can see, the colors coming through already. The oil is almost ready, and we're just gonna go straight from the saucepan. Oh, I can smell. Can you smell it?
I can smell it.
Oh, it can't eat, though, I can tell you that much. If you try to eat this, it makes you sick. Alright? So, as you can see, the different colors. I love doing colors, and just to make it a bit crazy, just chuck in a few of these. Obviously, midway through the cooking, you would actually add the carrots, but I love seeing different colors. All right, so from here the oil is ready. I would just go straight in at the deep end. All right, straight in. Oh, smells the flavor, no? Woo! Oh, this is, oh, voila. All right, so what we do from here is we're going to leave that for a while and then cover it up. So let's just give this a stir again. You can smell the flavors coming through already. Smelling good. But guys, this will not be ready for our next 20, possibly 25 minutes, depending on how tough the fowl is. Alright, so we're gonna cover that, let him go and steam. Oh, with the good old Dutchy cover, good old Dutch pot cover. Alright, so I'll get back to you shortly. So the juices are now building up. Yes, juices are now building up. And so what we're going to do is just wash out the container with some hot water, guys. Yeah, wash out it with some hot water. Make sure you get out. Oh, smells that. Smells that. Can you smell that? So this is about 5 to 7 minutes in. All right. So once it start bubble up, what we're gonna do? Oh, this curry look nice, you know, Sophie. Sophie, the curry look nice. One of them people that make me promote them curry for them. Potter, bubble, potter, bubble, bubble, potter, bubble. Let me say. What did I say a while ago?
Bubble pop.
Repeat after me. Bubble, potter, bubble, bubble, potter, bubble. Say that.
Bubble, potter, bubble, bubble, potter, bubble.
We have a whole if I work for the video.
Yes.
Yeah. Let's go one more time.
No.
It's alright. Say bubble.
Bubble.
Pot.
Pot.
A bubble.
A bubble. That's
no,
it.
You
I said it. I said
bubble.
it.
You're like a bubble.
I said it.
So you start off the first.
I said it.
Oh, look at that. Oh, jeez, wisdom. Father have mercy. That brother on TV that said, Jesus is Lord. Oh, guys, just to let you know, whenever you're adding water to a pot that's been cooked, please at least have your kettle being boiled and ready to add to it, because if you add cold water to your food, then it's gonna lengthen the time that you need to cook, and you might feel say cook and it not cook and you will poison, you will have food poisoning. Alright, just for the record. So always have, if you not have piping hot water, boil something and have it in your kettle, you can add to it. Alright, so after about 12 minutes, 15 minutes in, what we're gonna do, we're gonna add our potato, diced potato, or potatoes, and our chopped carrots. All right. Any questions? Oh, look at the flavors. Look at the smells. Oh no, the colors, the variation. Wow. So what we're doing here now is, because of the carrots and everything that's been added, as you can see, it start bubbling just a bit, but don't be dismayed. It's gonna come back up. All right. So me love the colors them. Me love the colors them. It's like the colors of the Caribbean. Hence Caribbean dishes made easy. All right. And what I want you guys to do, if there's anybody from the Caribbean out there who invite me to come see them and do them thing and make some roti and I make some dal or whatever it is, some pillau, some flying fish. But the Jamaican thing, flying fish and cook
and flying fish.
Cook and flying fish. Some sauce. Guys, please feel free to knock me up. I am ready. Oh. So at this time, I'm loving the colors that I'm seeing in the pot, but I need a bit more variation. All right. So just gonna add some spring onion to this thing, and once it goes through, we will have a well decorated, beautiful. I love happy food. My food for happy. Food not for just pop down and look like. See that? How that look on camera?
It's good.
Oh, I like. So what we're gonna do from here now is all of the juices and everything gonna come together, and we're just gonna cover this and steam down. I don't even need to even taste this for no say it tastes good. Believe me no man. Alright, so get back to me in about 10 minutes when this should be ready. The boat should be landing. I am sorry for those who don't really understand the patois. Do you know where boat landing means, Sophie?
No.
Give me the first thing that comes to your mind. What do you think?
Boat landing?
Yeah, if I said to you, I'll come back in 10 minutes because the boat will be landing then.
Yes, so it's nearly finished.
It's nearly finished. No, it's not nearly finished. It's finished.
It's finished?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, the boat landing is almost finished.
Mm-hmm.
You're right. Technically speaking, you're right. But, yeah. Yeah, that's it. So give me 10 minutes and we'll get back to you guys. So any question, guys, any questions, any suggestions, any feedbacks, any criticism, constructive or otherwise, please let me know, because you know what? When you're cooking, everybody cook different. Every island cook different, every parish cook different, we do things differently. And so I'm always learning. I've been cooking for a long time, but I'm always learning. I will taste your food and I will put my twist to it. That is how, whenever you cook for a chef or a cook or whoever, watch them face. You will know. And so you find some people crush the pimento seed, some people don't. Some people crush the garlic, some people don't. Some people rub up the spring onion or the scallion and chop it in, some people cut it up. So please, alright? And as for the cutting boards, I know about the color coded thing, but it's just a in-house thing, so please. Alright? Like, share, comment, subscribe. We have a whole heap more for you. When I say whole heap, I don't mean no play whole heap. Whole heap. When I go see Sophia do lobster in a pan grill. When I go see Sophia do lobster in butter. You go see Sophia do lobster in a garlic sauce. When I go see peppered lobster. When I go see curried lobster. When I go see jerk lobster. When I notice when I see lobster. Lobster is Sophie's speciality. So as you can see, guys, this is this is ready. This is ready. Look there. Yeah, can you see the sauce? Sophie, hold it, give me a hand, please. Sorry.
It's very good.
Yeah. We'll have our next 5 minutes and this thing should be ready. Yeah. Just have to turn it right down now. Look on the sauce there. See if you can put this up. The next 5 minutes and it should be ready. So as you can see, we have our London style roti. This is not all the Bajans and the Trinis and the Guyanese do them roti. Okay? Me for the bad TV. If you know someone for the fan TV, turn the fire on. Take a picture of me, please, with this. So guys, I've pretty much wrapped up everything. And like I said, I do not have anything scripted. I'm in my kitchen. Yes, baby girl. Hi. I'm doing an outro. Yes, before she starts. Yes, I am. That's my little brown bear. Yes, thanks for watching. And like I said before, if there's anything that you guys are not sure about, please shoot it at me. I will be doing a lot more dishes. This is just a start. But hope you guys enjoy the program. See you next time.